is blue and brown. Yeah, it's the artificial horizon. This shows you the attitude of the aircraft. Then we have altitude on.
This one
This is vertical speed. This is not very important at the moment. But if you look to the left and the upper left, this is
Yeah, we can go. Just push it all the way forward. For the power.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Now we just press the left pedal a bit. Back left and second, and now back to neutral. Yeah, that's good. And now start raising the nose. Pull the control towards us. Okay, now we're in the air. Just have a look at the artificial horizon there, this instrument.
We can let the wheels out now. Nose up, or at the moment it's fine. Maybe a bit nose up. Yeah. Land some flaps too, slow us down a bit. And nose down a bit. Not too much, pull it back up. Yeah, like that. Pull the nose up, I will try to, so we'll make it on the runway. And when we are above the runway, then reduce power all the way back and try to keep us parallel with the ground, so start raising the nose. And the movement should be like more slow and smooth, otherwise it will go out of hand. Check how much time do we have. We can try one landing more. I raise the flaps. We'll push the throttle all the way in, and we can take off again here. It's fun. Yeah, we keep it.